Kukan jo pare mayo na maite. Kukan jo pare mayo na maite. Kanaga kayo'y matam. Sapo man sing vivayang gana. Auno ning vuvo mata. Kukan jo pare mayo na maite. Kukan jo pare mayo na maite. Kanaga kayo'y matam. Sapo man sing vivayang gana. Auno ning vuvo mata. Alright, everybody, welcome to another episode of Kinda Cool with your boy, Stua'an. I believe we are on episode 7, and we are just covering in a little bit more detail of the Bluebird song, which was in episode 2 if you're paying attention. But, so this one is saying a little bit differently. I usually start out saying like, like it always sounds like you're saying it with the J, but on this one it says and that's just what we talked about before. So many of the songs have changed over the years, and I'm one, but I'm pretty sure everybody is on the same page that we would like it to go back to how it was, the original way it was sang. But this is a little bit of, I guess, paperwork that I found thanks to my good buddy Chucky, or Martin Luna. Give him a shout out. He actually shared this with me when I was helping Casablanca start his dance group. But this is, again, written in song language, autumn language, the actual spelling and everything, and then in English explaining what the song is talking about in detail. And this is where we kind of get a little complicated with the actual language. Doesn't sound anything on how you sing it when it's in song language. But try not to get confused. This is just there to help you more or less of what it means and the different ways we sing it. Like I said, a lot of people sing it differently depending on where you're from, but we'll keep going over it and just learn all the ways you can, and pretty soon we'll figure out how everything is and we'll go from there. But this is the Bluebird song, and I wanted to show you guys a different view on how this song is sung.